Hey mudikani wangu, why do you cry? Wipe your tears and listen. I will tell you a story, a beautiful story. Break it down. Listen. The enemy saw your mother pregnant, but could not perceive what she was carrying. She carried a game changer, a mighty warrior, a generational healer, and so much more. Zuara wakazvarwa, mudikani panzvimbo pawakazvarirwa. That particular place, angels surrounded it, and a massive light was seen, and that caught attention. Yemuvengi. That was the day you stressed the enemy till today. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I sanctified you. I ordained you a prophet, hey, to the nations. Ndisatindakuumba mutumbura maiva konda kakuziva. Usati wa Buddha muchibere konda kakutaura. Dakakugaza kuva muporofita kumaruzi. My friend, understand this. The light you carry frustrates the enemy. He has no rest when you come to his mind. Kungofema kwa uri kuita kunomuruwaza zuvarese. He can't stand you. That's why matambudziko achikuandira. You cry day and night because you do not understand what you carry within. It is why the enemy is after you. Marivane nyaya yakana kanewe. Look deeper. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Hey. Before you were born, I sanctified you. I sanctified you. I ordained you a prophet, hey, to the nations. Ndisatindakuumba mudumbura maiva konda kakuziva. Usati wa Buddha muchibere konda kakutaura. Ndakakugaza kuva muporofita kumaruzi. Now that you have understanding, always remember the day you were born. Hell shook, nekuti chieza chiri mauri chakaonekwa. Refuse to back down, stand strong, because I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I sanctified you. I sanctified you. I ordained you a prophet, hey, to the nations. Ndisatindakuumba mudumbura maiva konda kakuziva. Usati wa Buddha muchibere konda kakutaura. Ndakakugaza kuva muporofita kumaruzi. Haukundwe no matter what, matter what. Haukundwe no matter what, matter what. Haukundwe no matter what, matter what. Haukundwe no matter what. Haukundwe iwe mukundi ya true winner, born for purpose. Walk into your destiny with your head held up high, because you are heaven back. Haukundwe no matter what. Haukundwe no matter what. Muzitara Jesu.